The Sacrament of Reconciliation took center stage in Rome as thousands of young pilgrims gathered in the Circus Maximus, an ancient Roman arena now transformed into a vast open-air confessional. EWTN Vatican News correspondent Valentina Di Donato has more.
The global reach of the Universal Catholic Church was made evident with the 200 confessional stations gathered in Rome's famous Circus Maximus. Throughout the day, hundreds of young pilgrims lined up to reconcile themselves with the Lord.
Although we're speaking to a priest, it's like speaking directly to Jesus and talking about, those hidden parts of you that you might not let other people see. And I think young people now are searching for something firm and something true, and something that's well-rooted. And I think confession gives young people a space to just be vulnerable, and a space that they're welcomed, just, whatever stage that they're at in their faith.
I think confession is just a relief. I can say wherever I want all my sins and not be judged by my sins. I think that's really good, because if I talk to anyone, probably I will be judged. And here I can say everything and know that it's a safe place.
On this day of penance, 1,000 priests were available to hear confessions in English, Italian, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Polish, with additional rotating stations offering the sacrament in German, Hungarian, Slovak, Korean, and Chinese. The pro-prefect of the new evangelization section of the Dicastery for Evangelization, Archbishop Rino Fisichella, and the mayor of Rome, Roberto Gualtieri, were also present. For the international pilgrims, the sacrament acts as a reminder that we can return to God's grace, no matter how far we have strayed, and begin again as sons and daughters of the Father.
One of the things Jesus said as a command was go out to all the nations and preaching the kingdom of God and giving them forgiveness. And I was just sat there thinking, I'm so blessed to have a God who, even doing with everything on the cross, he still knows that we're going to mess up and still wants us to come back to him and just enjoy his love.
A priest told EWTN News that the Sacrament of Reconciliation offers young people an opportunity to seek healing and look forward, and not back, on what may be preventing them from living a fulfilling life.
Well, I think young people should go to confession more than anything else is to feel the healing presence of God, to feel that love that God has for us that's unconditional. And I think all of us, there's always something that we have that doesn't sit right with us and dwells on us. And I think it's important that we're able to express that, and by asking for God for forgiveness, to heal ourselves as well, because the greatest gift we can give to ourselves is to forgive ourselves.
In Rome, Valentina Di Donato for EWTN News Nightly.